Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SEEL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like through this time frame, I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Friday, so that's where these green line annotations are coming from, and they actually both play a role in today's analysis. The one update that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, and that states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So this will mean a little bit more to those of you that watched the video from Friday. But if you did, I talked about right up here around 335 being a level of support. And, given the gap down this morning, that automatically converted it, as far as that rule is concerned, into an area that you would expect to act as resistance. And sure enough, this afternoon, you can see the price didn't hit it exactly, but I think we can all agree, got close enough, and that level did indeed act as resistance. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying the price can never get back above 335. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price did ultimately struggle at that area. So going into Tuesday, 335, now going to be that near-term area of resistance. On the flip side of things, though, and update's not necessarily the right word here, but confirmation would be more of an accurate term. If you watched the video from Friday, then there's this green line here that I threw out there right around the 255-ish mark, and you can see during this morning right down there, the price did indeed find some support, and that ultimately acted as kind of the little launch point here from the bounce. So going forward, 255, like I said, not really an update, but confirmed as that there are buyers that are sitting around down around that area. Now, does that mean that it's guaranteed for sure to be a level of support going forward? There's no such thing as a guarantee. But as of now, past history is showing that there are, several instances now where the price has gotten down around that area and it is held. Again, not only from this morning, but you look back here through the charts history and you can see some other times where the price has indeed held up around that area. So those are definitely going to be the two key technical areas going into Tuesday. The good news is the week is young, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.